Hello friends, today we are going to study about the generation and detection of an ASK signal. Today we are going to study this experiment on the kit Scientech 2156, which is a data formatting and carrier modulation transmitter. So let's come and see what are the kits used in here. So one, we have a parallel to serial converter, which basically converts number of here basically 8 bits are converted into serial number of bits. A bit D7 is always kept on. We are going to take a sequence as 00, 11, 00 and 11. D7 is normally on. We are going to give it a clock output. We are going to connect the clock output to the clock input so that the serial to parallel converter works. Then we are going to this serial, the output of the serial to parallel converter is going to be given to the data formats. Now we can observe here various data formats. You can observe it on the screen as well. We are using here NRZL, which is basically the output of the code system is 0 when the input sequence is 0 and is high for the whole cycle for when 1 is also high. Now we are going to give this output of NRZL to the carrier modulator itself. Here we connect the NRZL to the signal input. We are going to provide a carrier from here. We are going to use a 960 kHz sine wave carrier to modulate the signal. As we know, ASK is simply amplitude shift key, in which the amplitude of the carrier signal is going to be varied with the input information sequence. Now my friend Ashutosh will explain the forward processes.
So let's see the input data applied and the clock signal which we have taken here, which we have given to carrier modulators. This modulator will modulate, as ASK is the amplitude shift key which we can observe in our oscilloscope. For the binary data we have given 0011, we can observe that for 0 bit it is approximately equal to 0, and for high bits we can see a amplitude shifted carrier. So as we can also see, like how to demodulate a signal. There is a kit called Scientech 2157 carrier demodulation and data reformatting receiver. In this we are applying output like a modulating signal to a ASK demodulator. ASK demodulator is nothing but a diode which will clip the signal which is negative, and further which will be applied to a low pass filter. Next part will be assigned or explained by my friend Nitin.
As you can see, the modulated signal of ASK is then output of the modulated signal of ASK is given to the demodulator of ASK, where diode is used to clip the negative cycle, and output of the diode is given to a low pass filter where we cancels the high frequency noise, and the output of the low pass filter is given to a comparator where we compare. And you can see here in the output we see that there is a clip of 2 shift, and it is also seen in a oscilloscope. There is a clip of some delay, you can see there.